In this video, I will be showing you how to work the Double Crochet V Stitch. This stitch is a decorative stitch pattern which uses double crochet stitches to create a V-shaped pattern. This is used in our Daydreamer sweater pattern. Today, I will be using Wool & Gang's Feeling Good yarn in lilac powder and a 6.5 crochet hook. This stitch looks great when you change colours for each row to really show off the stitch, but today, to keep it simple, I'm going to show you how to work the stitch all in one colour. So, let's get started. This stitch is worked over an odd number of stitches. Today I'm going to be working over 21 stitches. Take your yarn and your hook, make a slip knot, and then place it on your hook. Now work 21 chain stitches. That's your foundation chain. Now you'll be working a setup row. So make a further 3 chain stitches. This is your turning chain and counts as your first stitch. So 3. Then work 1 double crochet stitch into the 4th stitch from your hook, not counting the loop on your hook. So not this one, 1, 2, 3, into this 4th one here. So wrap your yarn around, insert your hook, pull through, wrap round, pull through 2, wrap round, pull through the final 2. Next you'll be working a repeat section, so skip the next chain stitch, this one, and work 2 double crochet stitches into the next chain stitch. And then working back into that same stitch, work the second double crochet stitch. Now repeat this to the end of your row. So skip the next one and then work 2 double crochet into this. Now you complete your last repeat, skipping that one and then working the final 2 double crochet into that last stitch of the row. And that's your setup row. Once you've worked the setup row, to work in this stitch there is just 1 row to repeat. So make 2 chain stitches. This is your turning chain, so turn your work, and it also counts as your first stitch. Now work 1 double crochet stitch in the space between the 2 double crochet stitches that make the first V from the row below. So these first 2 double crochet stitches, you're now going to work in between the 2 of them into this gap here. So insert your hook and complete a double crochet stitch. Next you'll be working a repeat section. Skip the next 2 stitches, so this one from your first V and then this one from your second V. And now work 2 double crochet stitches in this space in between the 2 double crochet stitches that make up the next V from the row below. So this V into this gap in between. So insert your hook and complete 2 double crochet stitches. Now Now repeat this until you have 3 stitches left of your row. So skip, and then working in between these 2 stitches from the row below, work 2 double crochet stitches. Now you have 3 stitches left of your row. One of them is from the V you just worked into, and then there's 1 double crochet stitch here, and then the turning chain from the row below, which counts as a stitch. So skip this one and then this one, and then in between this stitch and the turning chain, you need to work a further 2 double crochet stitches. To finish your row. Now repeat this row to continue working in the double crochet V stitch, and you'll end up with something that looks like this. Thanks for watching.